I just built a cinematic marketing video from scratch using only Artlist. No stock websites, no YouTube downloads, no external AI tools. Everything happened inside Artlist, then Premiere Pro to pull everything together. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today I'm running a fun experiment. I'm gonna build a cinematic ad, storyline, visuals, sound design, music, transition, the whole works, using only the tools within Artlist. To get started, let's head on over to artlist.io and let's go ahead and click on start for free right now. Continue with Google. Now, just a quick overview. On the left-hand side, you're gonna see AI video, AI image, AI voiceover, music, creative assets. Everything is in Artlist. You're also gonna see featured AI models. We got all the heavy hitters here: Nano Banana Pro, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1. It is all in here. Now here's my cinematic ad workflow idea. So I wanted to build something cinematic, emotional, and professional. So I built a mini beverage commercial. For the concept, I created a beverage called EMBER with the tagline, "Spark Your Momentum." I wanted a dark, neon, high energy vibe. Now for my mini ad, I wanted 4 different scenes. So a mystery close-up, then the next scene, we're gonna crack open the beverage container. We're gonna have a model take a sip, and then a final shot with a clean text overlay. So let's head on over to AI video on the left-hand side of Artlist. And I'm just gonna come on down to my creations right here. And let's have a look at my creations. So you're gonna see all the different assets that we have. Now I also went testing with Nano Banana as well. So let's have a look at one of these. These are pretty cool as well. You can see we use Nano Banana Pro. And here is my detailed prompt as well. All right, so I just came on over to text to video at the very top. And if you come down here, you can pick your models. So we've got all the heavy hitters, as I mentioned earlier, Veo 3.1 fast. We've got Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, Kling 1.6, Kling 2.5 Turbo. They are all in here. So let's come on over to Sora 2 Pro. So I've got 16:9 selected, 4-second duration, and full HD. This is also going to include audio. And I came over here with my prompt. So I was going for a cinematic close-up of the EMBER can rotating slowly in a dark neon environment. Then I have a bunch of additional follow-up detail. So blue and orange reflections on metal, dramatic rim lighting, tiny drifting particles, shallow depth of field, macro condensation droplets. So I got super detailed here. So once I did that, I just came over here and clicked on generate, and I'm going to show you the exact output that I got with this prompt. All right, let's have a look. All right, definitely a winner with this look. I love the EMBER glowing text on the side of the can, and it is extremely cinematic. Now, the way I got extremely accurate consistency between all my shots was that I took a screenshot of a reference image from my first output. So I've got this reference image right here. So we can see this is a screenshot from that exact video output. So I actually came on over to the top here and clicked on image to video, and I used this reference image right here. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this, but this is just the steps that I took because I just really wanted this consistent looking can. And then I came on over here with another prompt. So for the second scene, I said extreme cinematic moment, opening the EMBER can in slow motion. The can cracks open and there's a burst of neon orange energy, light, and EMBER particles. So again, super detailed. And I also did specify that the can must be identical in every scene. And so I just go ahead and explain the can in further detail, just making sure we're getting that consistency between all of our different scenes. Now I'm going to come on over to my creations and we're going to check out that second scene and we're going to see that prompt. So let's have a look. It is right here. All right, so let's have a quick look at that output. And then I proceeded to do the exact same thing for the next 2 scenes. So we have someone taking a sip, and then we have a closing final video. All right, then I just dragged and dropped all my video assets into Premiere Pro on the left-hand side. And it is as easy as dragging and drop each of them into the timeline. So let's do that super quick here. We've got the second one here, and we've got the third one, and then we have the fourth one as well. So I'm going to show you how this all looks in its raw form. So let's have a look.
Spark your momentum.
All right, so there's our video when we go ahead and clip all the 4 different scenes. I'm very happy with our output, but we want to take things to the next level. So I'm just back over on Artlist. I'm going to click on home right here, and I'm going to come on down to creative assets, and we're going to click on tools. Now it is as easy as adding the Artlist library extension for Premiere Pro by clicking right here. Now, along with Premiere Pro, there's compatibility with After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve as well. So this is just a super easy way to leverage the platform here. And with the Artlist library extension connected, I'm going to fire this back up and come on over to Window, Extension, and the Artlist library. So we have the Artlist library right here, and this is where we're going to add some music. So this comes directly from Artlist. It all syncs up nicely. All right, I just searched up cinematic epic, so let's have a look. I'm going to scrub through here. Okay, this one sounds pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop right in my timeline, just like this. I'm gonna actually move this over a little bit, move this like this. Now I'm just gonna copy all of this audio and I'm gonna go ahead and drop it down a little bit. Let's go ahead and play this back.
Your momentum.
Okay, I'm just back over on Artlist. I'm going to come on over to creative assets on the left-hand side. So we have a bunch of options to go through. We've got templates, LUTs, we've got stock footage, sound effects, of course. I'm actually going to go ahead and search that up. So transitions, let's do that. Go ahead and search. We can easily go ahead and hover our mouse over and take a quick sneak peek of what we're working with. We've got some light transitions at the very top. These are nice and subtle. All right, this one I think looks pretty good to me. So I'm actually going to go ahead and I can open it up like this, and you can see what it's going to be compatible with on the right hand side. So this one is compatible with After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve. No plugins needed. You can just go ahead and download just like this. So I'm going to do that right here. Let's go ahead and download this. We'll click on Premiere Pro. So it is downloading in the top right. I'm going to double click this, light transitions, and this is going to open up its own project. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this into our timeline. I'm actually going to go ahead and just mute this for now on the left hand side. We're going to copy this. I think we have to use both of them. It's going to finesse this a little bit. I do believe we have to come over here and screen this. Yeah, there we go. We just got to add the screen effect. Okay, that looks really nice. So we got a nice little transition. Okay, I'm going to add a slight move-in effect with this one. So let's ease this in. So let's have a look. Okay, this looks pretty cool. So again, we'll just copy and paste this on over here to this second one. This should line up pretty nicely. Got to make sure we screen this. We'll just go ahead and drop this into the third one and dip to black. Okay, looking pretty good to me. I'm just going to go ahead and mute this for now. Okay, let's have a look at the sound effects in here. Let's go with the camera shutter. This will be good for at least one of them, maybe the first one here. Again, this Artlist plugin has all been integrated directly into Premiere Pro, and it just syncs up quite nicely. Intense transition. Why don't we go with this one? Kind of want to go for like a film transition. Let's go ahead and unmute everything. I'm just going to close this. We've got our transitions. I'm going to unmute everything.
Spark your momentum.
All right, so there we go. There's our finished EMBER commercial. I mean, I think I did a pretty good job. Really happy with my outputs here with Artlist. Again, we used everything within Artlist. Of course, I used Premiere Pro to put everything together, but all the assets were made with Artlist.io. So if you want to try out this experiment for yourself, the link's going to be in the description and pinned comment below. And honestly, building everything in one place saved me a ton of time. So instead of juggling 5 different platforms, 5 different tools, you can just focus on your creativity. So with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.